one side-by-siding.
Yeah, buddy. Side by side.
Another.
Turn on your ride command.
Oh yeah, ride command. That's
Track
right.
your ride.
Oh yeah, we can do the group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got Terrorizer, the turbo, and we got. Oh, that's my helmet falling. Oh shit. At least it's solid, guys. It's solid. All right, we're on the trail, guys. We're on the trail. Let's go. Let's go. One hand. Sorry, say again, say again. Roger that, roger. Yeah, Jeep on trail, over. Everybody on the Jeep. man, that mud just flings chunks at me, even
Oh,
going
man.
slow. It's really sticky.
All over my thumb.
Like you said, it's so sticky.
It's super sticky.
Oh man, like just look at this. I was going slow, just big old chunks all over the place. How big of a blade you got?
I got a 13-inch blade, buddy.
That's bigger than that. Looks bigger than that. No, yeah, it's 14, 13.
I think it's a 13-inch blade. Maybe 14-inch blade. I don't know.
You forgot your eye protection.
Yeah, I didn't.
Look how. So what's the strategy here? Find your spot. Find your spot.
Yeah. Gotta do some delimbing here because it's a mess.
So what's the strategy that you don't get your blade stuck? You cut.
Well, it's gonna fall this way, so the opening, the gap's gonna get bigger. If I were to start at the top,
It'll tighten at the top.
tighten up at the top. Yeah.
So you start at the top to make a first cut,
Well, I just want to get a little bit of momentum going.
and then you start working the bottom.
Yeah.
Like you could do a V. You could cut a V out of the top too to make
Yeah.
sure. But
You can hear it breaking.
it's cracking.
Oh yeah. I just don't want it to fall on me.
No doubt. There it goes. It's settling. You gotta jump on it. The Echo, the DCS 2500T.
Yeah, and this is the one that Project Farm convinced you to buy?
That's right. It was the best of all the 5-pounders.
Best of all the 5-pounders. Oh, okay, now you've narrowed it down.
Yeah, like yours is. I didn't realize yours is bigger. I thought you had a smaller chainsaw when we were on Tank Life.
Yeah, no, it's always been that one.
All right.
No.
So, but anyways,
Yeah.
this is okay. It works pretty good, huh?
Yeah, well, it's pretty new.
How deep would you like to go?
Well,
That's what she said, huh?
you got to make a better wedge now so that it falls towards that.
Yeah, it's almost the whole tree. And then what, you'd cut a little...
Cut back that way, yeah. I would start a little higher and cut into it.
Oh, down?
Yeah,
Like this?
yeah. Not so steep of an angle, but yeah, okay. Oh, it got hung up.
So what do you think now? What?
Well, it's going to fall right on top of my bag of stuff over there, but
You want to go grab it?
yeah, we're going to have to deal with that.
Adventures of the chainsaw. Yeah. Well, just watch yourself when you're going.
Yeah.
The little Echo that could.
I was going to drop that other one, but I'm worried it's gonna fall into your.
Side by side. Okay, so it's hung up. Oh, it's still hung up.
Yeah, there's a lot of branches there.
The only thing you could do is you could cut another slice out of
You
it.
could try cutting it. Hey. There's a side. There you go, you can close. As long as it doesn't come back towards us now.
It's just standing there. This is ridiculous.
It's so hung up on there.
What do you think now?
Oh, I don't know. Now it's pretty rough.
Just leave it like a fake. It's like a ghost tree.
It's gonna fall down. Wind is gonna blow it over.
Yeah, let's just leave it. Okay, you little chunk out.
Yeah.
Why'd you even bother throwing that away?
Well, because I didn't want somebody to like get a flat tire.
Did it run out of battery?
No, it's just the tree doesn't want to really fall the way I want it to go. And I don't have a wedge.
Yeah, we needed a wedge and a little axe. There's a little one underneath there. Well, it might fall though. Oh yeah, it's balancing. Nice, there's an obstacle.
Yeah.
It's a KX. And a KTM and a KX. Hello.
How you guys doing?
Good, we're just doing some maintenance.
Oh, okay, sweet. Like, oh, that doesn't look good.
Yeah, you're good. You can just rip through. It's like a gun going off. Nobody's around to hear it.
Yeah.
Did it really happen?
It really happened.
That's amazing. It's holding it up. It might not just be all that branch anyways. Maybe it's held up on the other ones. Yeah, that one's only partial. Yeah, well, that was just a floater. That's not what's holding it. It's the other one. The other artery. It's kind of like arteries, huh? Little, or like tendons. Exactly. You need a helmet on.
adventure?
Might be. I was thinking we'd clear actually some trees across the trail, but not like this. All right, keep moving on.
That's our whole adventure for the day.
Not bad.
It was actually really smooth.
That wasn't bad.
Yeah, no, there was no clanking.
Yeah.
How about this?
Well, that's pretty deep.
There's no traction.
You're gonna have to make a little bit more speed.
It looks like it has slicks on it now.